Did you know there is an angel whose only task is to separate the soul from the body when life ends? His name is Azrael, the angel of death, the silent servant of God, standing between life and eternity. Legends say he bears 70,000 eyes and 4,000 wings, each watching over countless souls, waiting for the moment a single light fades. When death was created, God asked, who could bear its sorrow? Only Azrael stepped forward, taking the burden that made him the most feared among the angels. When your final hour comes, Azrael descends in silence, holding the scroll of names. If yours shines with light, your spirit will rise in peace. But if it lies in shadow, he will carry it where light cannot reach. Yet even as he obeys God, Azrael weeps, feeling the sorrow of every soul he leads beyond the veil. If you believe in God and his angels, whisper, I believe.